Hi and welcome to our new look hockingstuart monthly market update. We've been listening to all your emails and requests, so today's episode is going to be more informative and straight down the line and straight to the point of what you want to hear. But before we get into all that, let's take a walk through 16 Bowen Street, St Kilda East, that'll be up for auction on the 30th of April. 16 Bowen, what an original classic mixed with modern convenience and modern architecture. As soon as you walk in the door, you've got the wide entrance, that wide arched hallway, 3 big bedrooms flowing off that entrance hall, and the master bedroom with a gorgeous ensuite. Flowing onto the lounge room with open fireplace, big entertainer's dining space with that open plan feel to an ultra modern kitchen. That overlooks an atrium style garden stroke dining area, outdoor dining you might like to call it, al fresco dining. And then the best part about this home is the self-contained apartment down the end with its own entrance off the street, ideal for that teenager or in-law accommodation, or even a bit of Airbnb for some extra income. It truly is a unique property where old meets new.
Well, Rob, it's been a great first quarter, hasn't it?
Yeah.
The month has been very good. The buyer sentiment is still very strong. We had our first batch of auctions after Easter, and they were quite good, with the clearance rate still well over 70%.
Yeah, it's been good because this time of year with all the distractions in it, sometimes can be a little bit awkward for us. But now we've got through that, we're heading into the May selling period, which is quite a busy period.
We're almost going into winter now, aren't we?
Well, it's heading that way. We've got some good properties coming up.
We sold quite a few very premium properties off market last month. We sold our beautiful penthouse apartment, sweeping water views. That was on the 14th floor at Arundel, and we sold that for a little over 2.1.
2.1. We also had the 2 sales in Edgewater Towers.
Yeah, they went to auction. They both had very good competition. We had record price for the 1 bedroom.
Yeah, and there's a very interesting block at Edgewater Towers. In 1961, it was the highest building in Melbourne, basically.
I heard all the celebrities bought in there at the time, Rob. Would have that been with you as well there?
Yeah, no. That was a bit before my time. I was still at school then, but I was around. Then we had the sale in York Street. We had
yes, 45 Mason Avenue.
Yeah.
I was able to sell that one off market. I saved my clients a considerable marketing campaign there. But the beauty of that situation was we put it out to the database, our early alert, and we had an open for inspection. A good number of clients came through, and I was able to sell that for, it was a little over 1.3 mil. It was almost $6,000 a square metre, which was a pretty big price.
So you're certainly keeping prices up in your own street.
Without a doubt. So,
that was
that's
a
for
good
sure.
effort there.
Yeah.
What else? We had the little house in Malakoff Street that Costa sold prior to auction. A lot of inquiry in that very strong price range. You know, that 7 to $1 million price range is a very affordable first home buyer range in our area.
Definitely.
These days.
But we've probably got a good, nice clear run heading into winter now. Some nice stretch of 4 weeks to run a campaign, no hurdles. So I always feel winter's a great time to sell. There's not great stock levels, so the competition's usually pretty strong.
Well, let's get into the numbers, Costa. How did our suburbs fare this month?
Yeah, thanks Dan. Well, we saw March have 47 sales this month. Out of that, at auction we had a 60% clearance rate. The median house price in St Kilda was $935,500 and the unit median hovering around the $475,000 mark. So apartments are still holding things back a little, Dan. What about in St Kilda East and Elwood?
Yeah, well, we had 27 house sales in Elwood last month, Costa, with a clearance rate of 78%. And that brings median house price sitting around $1,545,000, with median unit prices in Elwood still hovering around that $600,000 mark. And lastly, St Kilda East, including Balaclava and Ripon Lee, is tracking well with an auction clearance rate of 71.4%, off 36 sales for the month. Median house price is somewhat stronger at 1.3 million, with units at 531,000.
Yeah, I think we both agree there's still some value to be had in St Kilda.
Yeah, definitely.
See you next month.
Well, thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you have any questions for our team, drop us a line via email or simply post on our Facebook page. We look forward to seeing you here at the auction at 16 Bowen Street in St Kilda East. Until next time, we hope you can find the property of your dreams.